Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to install a WordPress theme on localhost. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the entire process, ensuring that your website looks just the way you want it to. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, we've got you covered. This is the current theme install on our localhost. So, without further ado, let's dive into the steps to install a WordPress theme on localhost. Open your WordPress dashboard on localhost, and from the sidebar, navigate to Appearance and then click on Themes. Here, click Add New button at the top. You will find a wide selection of WordPress themes available, offering you the flexibility to choose the one that best suits your website development needs. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will be utilizing the BAM theme to tailor and enhance our website's design and functionality. To install this theme, click on Install. To activate it, click Activate. We have successfully activated BAM theme. Now, let's navigate to our website tab and perform a reload. You will notice that the theme of our website has been successfully updated. Although the content may currently appear blank, rest assured that in our upcoming video, we will guide you through the process of adding content and customizing your website to your specific preferences. You also have the option to manually upload and install any theme of your choice. To do this, please follow next steps. Visit the WordPress website's Themes section, select your desired theme, and initiate the download process. You can download your chosen theme from anywhere. After download complete, extract the theme file on your computer, and copy this folder. Now, let's navigate to the XAMPP folder within your system files. Within the XAMPP folder, you will find the htdocs directory. Inside the htdocs directory, you will locate your primary project folder. Within the project folder, proceed to open the WP Content folder. Inside the WP Content folder, you will find the Themes folder. Now, paste the downloaded theme file into the Themes folder. Now, let's go to WordPress Dashboard Themes section and reload it. Our theme has now been manually uploaded and installed. To activate this theme, simply click on Activate. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to install a WordPress theme on localhost. We hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.